It doesn't matter who you are, how old you are, whether you are a child or a grown-up, where you were born, what language you speak, whatever your lifestyle, cultures and traditions. One thing that all of us have in common is suffering in the forms of aging, sickness and death. But there are also myriad forms of suffering unique to each one of us. Most of us started out young and full of life, but the aging process causes our body to gradually deteriorate until in the end we die. But more than 2,500 years ago, one incredibly wise personage could not accept these facts. Moreover, he was determined to discover the means to put an end to suffering, not just for himself, but for all living beings. Having put his life on the line, he finally succeeded in his noblest quest. And it was because of his success that he is called Samma Sambuddha. His teachings and his story can be found in the Tipitaka. He not only was able to discover the means to put an end to suffering, but he also was able to attain the realm of existence, which is filled with eternal bliss and devoid of every form of suffering. This realm of existence is called Nibbana. We have to study what he teaches and learn how to put it into practice so that we can prove to ourselves the truth and the preciousness of all that he has to teach us. In regards to his teachings, Samma Sambuddha says, Ehi Pasiko, which means, come and prove it to yourself how truly miraculous and enlightening his teachings are. Since Samma Sambuddha's time, a huge number of individuals have been able to attain the path and fruit of Nibbana as a result of practicing his teachings. These personages have proven to themselves that Samma Sambuddha's teachings are truly miraculous and enlightening.